Alright, we're going to be turning northbound on Pine.
Alright guys, he's pulling into the propane place, or the U-Haul place right here at the corner. Kilo's out with him.
Seven.
Go.
Alright guys, we're 1031 northbound on Pine.
Okay, we're ready to sign it.
Dealer, go ahead and hit him in the hand.
Everyone, you gonna call it?
I got it. Coming across the bridge, crossing the tracks.
Lima 1265 has Jacksonville Road blocked so nobody can pull out in front of them, but it's gonna create some issues in traffic.
Alright guys, coming up on 20th Street here.
Okay.
You can get up there and hit him.
Turning eastbound, 20th Street.
Here, come up and hit him so I don't take my car out of the chase.
Alright guys, you got traffic coming. Be careful, be careful. Alright, road's clear. Road is clear.
Toyota Tundra.
Yep. 5916.
Road is clear.
I need another unit at the stage for stop.
Alright, we got him pitted right here at the livestock pavilion. Pitted at the livestock pavilion.
26, pitted at the livestock.
Sorry, 5916.
Good.
You can be 10-8, they've hit him.
Yeah, cool. Sierra 1311, be over here at the livestock.
Sure.
Air 1, are you 1012?
They're getting them out of the vehicle now.